Nutrition is a basic human need and a prerequisite to a healthy life. A proper diet is essential from the very early stages of life for proper growth, development, and to remain active. Food consumption, which largely depends on production and distribution, determines the health and nutritional status of the population. The recommended dietary allowances, in short, the RDA. The recommended dietary allowances are nutrient-centered and technical in nature. Apart from supplying nutrients, food provide a host of other components, that is, the non-nutrient phytochemicals, which have a positive impact on our health. Since people consume food, it is essential to advocate nutrition in terms of food rather than nutrients. Emphasis has therefore been shifted from a nutrient orientation to the food-based approach for attaining optimal nutritional status, and it has made it easier for us to understand it because we consume food and we don't know what the nutrients are there present in it. Dietary guidelines are a translation of scientific knowledge on nutrients into specific dietary advice. They represent the recommended dietary allowances of nutrients in terms of diets that should be consumed by the population. The guidelines promote the concept of nutritionally adequate diets and healthy lifestyles from the time of conception to old age. Formulation of dietary goals and specific guidelines would help in providing required guidance to people in ensuring nutritional adequacy. The dietary guidelines could be directly applied for general population or specific physiological or high-risk group to derive health benefits. They may also be used by medical and health personnel, nutritionists and dietitians. The guidelines are consistent with the goals set in national policies on agriculture, health, and nutrition. The dietary guidelines ought to be practical, dynamic, and flexible based on the prevailing situation. Their utility is influenced by the extent to which they reflect the social, economic, agricultural, and other environmental conditions. The major food issues of concern are insufficient or imbalanced intake of foods or nutrients. The common nutritional problems of public health importance in India are low birth weight, protein energy malnutrition in children, chronic energy deficiency in adults, micronutrient malnutrition, and diet-related non-communicable diseases. It could be high blood pressure or cancer, anything.